How to set the personalized ringtones for different contacts in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, open open phone app. Now after opening the phone app, tap on the contact in which you want to change the ringtone, and then tap on this edit option on the top right corner. Now swipe up and here tap on ringtone option, and from here you can select any ringtone, and that ringtone will be selected as the personalized ringtone for this selected contact. So select a ringtone and then tap on done. Now only this contact have this ringtone. All other contacts in your phone will have the default ringtone. So you can see this contact has this ringtone, and so you have to tap on done to save changes. And now when I will open another contact, here you can see the ringtone for the contact is the default ringtone. So that's how you can set personalized ringtones for different contacts on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.